Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan. Sorry, I was looking at my phone for a second because what we're going to be getting into in this video today is some good sneakers you guys can buy right now under retail. Just 3 options. I'm actually surprised how nice some of these sneakers are right now that we have under retail. If you look back at, versions of this video I would make back in 2020 or 2021, it would be like very mid, not very good, like dunk lows or random like Nike dunk mids, things like that. Would be the only things you can get under retail. Now we got some Fire Jordans, other things like that. It's a good time to buy kicks. I just want to say that. So we'll get into it. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, let's try to 300 likes in this video. Just lets me know these are the types of videos y'all want more of. And of course, you guys can always check me out. My IG's down below. I posted a lot of Black Friday deals and stuff for sale last night. So if you guys want to check that out, feel free. That should still be posted on my story. And if you're looking for any pairs, Wizard of Oz SB, Seattle Supersonics SB, Black Cat 3s, even like other pairs, I got some Dare SBs, special box, size 12, things like that. Y'all let me know. And you can also check us out down below, Resale Vision. Don't forget, we're giving away a pair of Dark Mocha Jumpman Jacks right now, so you want a chance to win a pair of those for free. Make sure you guys check that out down below and do not miss out on your chance, well, to win those. I'll be posting something about that on my IG today, so yeah, check that out. Don't miss out. It's a good opportunity there. And of course, we do undermarket sneakers every single day. Shout out all my members in there. I'll be getting some more items out today and Monday. I'll have some going out today, but more on Monday just because FedEx has stopped delivering in Charlotte on weekends, which kind of sucks. So yeah, it's Monday through Friday, and yeah, no like Saturday or Sunday deliveries anymore, which is kind of, I'm like, bro, that was really convenient, but it happens. We can work around it. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. Let's get started. So let me scoot over right here, and the screen recording should be up right now. And as you guys can see, we got some of our options right here. But the first one I want to discuss is the Black Cement 3s. Now, this is in some sizes. If you're above a size 11, these are still, keep in mind, above retail price. As you can see, size 13, 12, 12 and a half. Those are all like after apps and probably locally if you're actually trying to look for a pair. Someone would probably be selling one for like $240, $250. So you still would be paying above retail in some of the larger sizes. But for some of the smaller sizes, like my size 9, I can grab a pair of these for $180 right now. Are you kidding me? That's crazy to me. I mean, they did make a decent amount of these, but I did think that, I mean, look, there's still solid demand. Like tons of these have sold. Check this out. Look at that, 11,000 sales. So not a crazy amount, right? But I mean, that's still a pretty decent amount of these to sell for a sneaker that did just release, right? So yeah, I mean, this is kind of like a Black Friday drop. They're doing pretty good, and I am surprised to see these prices, but it just lets us know that the bulk players are getting these way cheaper, like $160, $150, or they aren't even paying for them. You know what I mean? There's definitely some people that probably gotta be investigated, but that's how it is with some of these drops. Some of those folks sometimes do get caught. We saw that recently with Legend Blue 11, some backdoor guy, or whatever it was, with like 200K pairs of Nike shoes or whatever, something on like some highway. I don't know. I haven't looked into that article fully, but I saw that situation there and I was like, dang, gotta be careful. But yeah, what I can say about this release in particular, it's one you can grab under retail, aside from just the resale stories we got. It's just a really good pair. Like I've shown y'all these in hand. You can check my review out from a couple weeks ago, and the early one we did. It's just a cool sneaker. Like this, it looks good. It's easy to wear. Really couldn't go wrong with this shoe as an everyday pair. I feel like most people, if they got this sneaker as a gift, they'd be happy with it. I know if I got this sneaker as a gift, I'd be happy with it. I'd be like, all right, this is something I can rock every day. Don't even got to think about it. Yeah, I will gladly take them. You know what I mean? I'd be satisfied with it. So for me, these are a cop any day of the week. I mean, you can see 2,000 have sold in 3 days just through StockX. That's not even including Go, other app locations. So very popular model. People love their Black Cement 3s. So yeah, first one you can grab under retail in some of the smaller sizes right now. This will probably be something that doesn't last for very long, by the way. Popular shoes. So surprised to see this. If any of these were to flip quick, and all of a sudden not be under retail in a few months, it would be this one in my opinion. But the next one we got right here is the Jordan 4 Fear. As you guys can see, in some of those smaller sizes, actually some of the larger ones too, most are under retail. And again, I would recommend looking for these locally or off someone maybe on like a different app, aside from like StockX, Alias, Go, just maybe looking like eBay maybe. If not eBay, I'm trying to think of some other locations. I mean, Instagram, but you got to be careful there. Make sure the person has references or make sure they're legit. I could probably find you a pair for a decent deal. But yeah, my personal opinion is just get looking around and you'll probably be able to find a pair of these for about retail price. If not, maybe a little bit over, because keep in mind, this is also a very, very popular shoe, and these dropped a little bit longer ago than the black cements, a couple weeks before, so, you know, it just might be a little bit harder to find them because, you know, that little bit more time they've had for people to sell off pairs, etc. But, yeah, you can see, I mean, tons of sales have happened for these. Look at this, 8,000 sales, and look, you can see kind of the dip has stopped. So, I mean, this is the low point. You can see it's actually started rising a little bit in price. I mean, makes sense, you know what I mean? No Jordan 4 is going to sit at these prices. Like, this will be a Jordan 4 that returns to those $250, $300 prices. 100%. Wearable colorway. They hadn't done it in like 11 years. It has that SB4 build. I mean, all Jordan 4s do now, but, you know, it's like the old model doesn't have that, you know what I mean? And this one does. And it's still built and done very nicely. I actually like this Jordan 4 in hand. One of the nicer ones made this year, in my personal opinion. If y'all think I'm wrong on that, let me know. But I do think this is one of the more slept on Jordan 4 drops from this year. So personal opinion, I still need to definitely go out the way and grab some of these just to, you know, put away from as a long-term bet, because I know it will do well. People love Jordan 4s, and they're always a popular sellers. Like, you know, even years down the line, they'll have several sales in some sizes a day. Like, you know, for example, black canvas 4s. Those still consistently sell every day. Red Thunders, Yellow Thunders. You know, all those consistently sell, even though they dropped a long time ago. Not a long time ago, but, you know, a few years ago. They still sell very, very often just because, again, Jordan 4s have great demand. People always come back to them. So for me, this is definitely one that I think will age well long term. And sorry if you hear, I don't know what is blasting on my TV right now. I'll fix that in a sec. But yeah, some ad or something. That was crazy. But yeah, another one you can grab under retail right now. Great pair in my opinion. My screen recording ended, so let me fix that. But yeah, aside from the Jordan 4 Fear in the black cements, another one which you can grab under retail right now, and it hasn't even dropped yet. In some of these smaller sizes is the Jordan 11 Legend Blue. As you guys can see, some of those smaller sizes, 8.5, 9, 10, 10.5 even, 9.5. You can grab those all under retail price right now before they've even released. So if you like this pair, I mean, I love this pair. I've seen it in hand. This is actually one of the Jordan 11s. Like, you can see, look at those sales too. I mean, holiday Jordan 11. The under retail prices are not going to last forever, you know what I mean? And they're not going to go under retail in some of those bigger sizes, like 11.5, 12, 13. That ain't going to happen unless it already did temporarily happen, maybe for a day or two and I missed it. I wouldn't have been, you know, paying attention fully to it. I'm just going to wait for some of the, you know, good bulk prices we'll get on these, because I know this will be one of those ones that will do well down the line. And we'll have tons and tons of sales. Like, this will be a very, very easy one to sell locally. And it's just a clean pair to have for the collection. I'm personally a big fan of the icy soles. Also kind of like the white patent leather look that they have on the sneaker. I just think, you know, kind of the blue and white, they both fit together. And especially the icy blue, I'm a sucker for that. So, you know, you put that with white and blue, kind of like, you know, Carolina colorways almost. Yeah, you're going with me every time with that. Yeah, so for me, these are a cop. And yeah, just another one you can grab for a good price right now. I mean, such a clean Jordan 11. I mean, for these to already be going for this cheap, I feel like it's almost disrespect to it. You know what I mean? Like, this is such a clean model. Like, you remember how much people loved these a few years ago? This would never have happened a few years ago. You know what I mean? I'm just going to mention that. But, you know, it's happened now, and that's how it is. And I'm not complaining, you know what I mean? Because I'm a size 9, so I love it. I love to see this, you know what I mean? This is the best situation for me if I want a personal pair. So, yeah, aside from that, I think this will still be a good flip and like 11 plus, pretty safe bet. You know what I mean? It's a holiday Jordan 11, and they, you know, be really good demand for those sizes. They haven't gone under retail yet, so that lets you know most of the back door just includes smaller sizes. So for me, it's a cop, and another one you can grab under retail right now. Why not? If anyone I'm grabbing under retail, these are the black cements, my personal opinion. I do love the Fear 4s, but these are clean. These are really, really clean. And I actually don't have any Jordan 11s in my collection, so I need to, you know, get some variety going. Also, some of the smaller sizes in these, the Mocha Lows, as you can see, like 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5, 10. And some of the, you know, larger sizes a little bit. This is just a quick one I wanted to mention. I didn't really want to throw it in the video because it's like, it's not like really under retail. They're also about to cross over retail price again. Like, these are like slowly going up in price. Surprise, you know what I mean? Mocha Jordan 1 Lows making progress. I don't think anybody's surprised by that. Like, Mocha is just a cheat code at this point for Nike. But yeah, we'll end the screen recording there. I feel like that's everything I need to say. Glad that screen recording worked. I'm not sure why. The last one ended, but you know, we got it all figured out, all situated. And let me know if you'd grab any of these. Me personally, there's a few I'd grab from this list. Probably the black cements. I definitely am gonna grab the Legend Blues. But you know, I'm gonna wait a bit to buy some personals. You know, I've been buying a lot of personals lately. I just need to slow down and actually enjoy the pair. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna be doing that. Not going to be, you know, buy. It seems like I'll have some time to buy most of these sneakers. So, you know, I'll be waiting a little bit. You know, they'll go up in price probably 20, 30 bucks. But, you know, that's fine with me. I'm paid 20, 30 bucks. And, yeah, you know, I'll actually just enjoy the pairs I've been buying recently instead of buying more pairs and not enjoying the ones that I just bought. You know what I mean? I don't know why. That has, you know, been a trend in the past, but yeah, sometimes I've done that. Like, for example, I got my anti-hero highs and then I got my canaries. It's like, bruh, just enjoy the highs. And I just got the Futuras before that. It's like, I just need to slow down. But we love shoes over here, so, you know, that's how it is. But, yeah, you know, we'll definitely make an updated sneaker collection video. I mean, the collection has expanded like crazy this year, so it'll be a dope video. I think you guys really like to see that one. And yeah, again, if you all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, let's try and hit 300 likes on this video. Lets me know this is the type of content y'all want more of. I know I haven't done a video like this in a while, but, you know, I was like just drafting some ideas this morning. I was like, well, I haven't done one of these in a while. And I mean, we got lots of really good shoes under retail right now. So I feel like this video is good timing. So we went ahead and did it. And yeah, you can check me out on my Instagrams down below. Always buying, selling, trading. If you need anything, shoot me a DM. I'll be trading again soon. And if anybody's selling the dark mocha Jumpman Jacks or the medium olives, hit me up. You can see I'm buying medium olives. I got some dark mocha Jumpman Jacks on the way in the next like couple days, so y'all will see a little review for those maybe. That'd be a really late review, so maybe not, but you know, we'll see. We'll see. Maybe something about a hold or something like that, because I'm gonna want to, you know, show them on camera. But yeah, that's pretty much everything there. And don't forget us at Resale Vision. I cannot believe I forgot to almost mention the giveaway we're doing for a pair of dark mocha Jumpman Jacks. You want a chance to win a pair of those? Join down below. Don't miss out on your chance to win those and get access to the deals we do every single day. Got more of those coming tonight. Don't miss out, guys. That's every single day in there. So I appreciate you all. It's always love. I'm just going to be taking today to rest, honestly. I've been training all week. I've been busy with schoolwork all week, other than, you know, Thursday, Friday. And yeah, a lot of time with the family, too. So I'm pretty tired from that. Love my family, but, you know, I'm an introvert, so, you know, I prefer time to myself. And, you know, I get drained around people, you know. Sometimes, you know what I mean? I don't know. I bounce between it, maybe. That's a weird thing to say. I think I just got to catch up on sleep, is what I'm saying. So we'll get that, you know, done today. But I appreciate you guys. I'm Tristan. Thank you all. We're going to get some of the work done this morning. And I'll catch y'all in the next video tomorrow. See y'all then. Peace.